अस्सलाम वालेकुम खूब हसीन जान चुन और बखैर बेचारे अंग्रेजी वीडियो दोबारा बैटरी एनी फोन आईफोन बाशा आईफोन सैमसंग हवाई मोटरोला आईफोन की दस्ता बाशी अगर मैं खाइन बैटरी रिप्लेस करें हमेशा की देखो जाए मोबाइल उनार बगिन की जेन्युइन बैटरी बनाई शुरू विंडोज a bit. Oh man, you just need more than two hands. Okay, once you are underneath the case, from here on, just apply something plasticky because you don't want to damage it. I'm gonna take all these screws off. For instance, okay, we took all the screws off. There we go. Next thing, we will need to remove the screen. That's part of the job as well. To do so, we need to make sure we don't want to apply a lot of pressure on it because that will damage the screen. Just we go slowly around the edges until we completely take it apart. There we go. From here we can change the battery. It's completely stuck as well and it's glued in. So we can change the battery from here. We can change the camera. Anything that you would like to change from here, that's entirely up to you. So that's how we change the battery. Probably you can change the camera, proximity sensor, microphone and port as well. Take care guys from now on. I'll see you around. Ta-da.